Have you ever wondered how bears became such majestic creatures of the wild? Indeed, bears are one of the most fascinating creatures, possessing an awe-inspiring blend of power, intelligence, and adaptability. They've roamed the earth, developing into various species, each with its unique characteristics. From the towering grizzly bears of North America to the rare and elusive panda bears of China, each species tells a different tale of survival and adaptation. And let's not forget the polar bears of the Arctic, the epitome of resilience, battling the harsh conditions of the icy wilderness. Then there are the smaller yet equally enchanting bear species, such as the sun bear and the spectacled bear, each contributing to the rich tapestry of bear diversity. Their majestic nature and the sheer variety among them make bears a captivating subject of study. So now that we know a bit about bears, let's delve deeper into some astonishing facts about them. Did you know that bears have an incredible sense of smell, even better than dogs or possibly any other mammal? Fascinating, isn't it? This sense of smell is a bear's superpower, enabling them to sniff out food from miles away. But it's not just about finding the next meal. Their powerful noses also help them avoid danger and locate mates during the breeding season. Now let's delve into the other bear necessities, survival skills and characteristics that make these magnificent creatures truly awe-inspiring. One of the most fascinating aspects of bear life is their hibernation pattern. As the harsh winter approaches, bears retreat into dens where they stay dormant for months. During this period, they don't eat, drink, or even excrete. Instead, their bodies live off fat reserves accumulated during the warmer months. Interestingly, it's not sleep that drives them into hibernation. Rather, it's the scarcity of food. Speaking of food, bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and meat. Their diet varies greatly depending on the species and the season. Some feast on salmon, others enjoy berries, insects, and even honey. They're also quite good at foraging, using their strong claws to dig up roots and tear apart logs. Strength is another key survival trait of bears. They are incredibly powerful creatures, capable of lifting heavy objects and even overturning rocks with a single swipe of their paw. This strength, combined with their sharp claws and teeth, makes them formidable predators. But strength isn't just about muscle. Bears also have a strong sense of family. Mother bears, or sows, are known for their fierce protectiveness of their cubs. They'll go to great lengths to ensure their young are safe, nurturing them until they can fend for themselves in the wild. These survival skills are indeed impressive, but wait until you hear more about their unique abilities. Can you believe that bears, despite their massive size, can run up to 40 miles per hour? That's faster than Usain Bolt. Yes, you heard it right. These seemingly lumbering creatures possess a sprinting speed that can put even the fastest human sprinter to shame. But that's not all. Their physical prowess extends far beyond just speed on land. Bears are also exceptional swimmers. Their powerful forelimbs allow them to swim across vast lakes and swift-flowing rivers with ease. And they aren't just paddling around to cool off. Some species, like the brown bear, are known to swim for miles in search of food, particularly during the salmon spawning season. And if you thought the ground and water were their only playgrounds, you'd be mistaken. Bears are adept climbers as well. Even the biggest of the lot, the grizzly bears, can climb trees. They do so to search for food, escape danger, or simply to get a good vantage point. Now let's talk about their strength. A bear's strength is something of legends. They can topple over huge boulders, break open tough logs, and even bring down large prey with a single swipe of their paw. This immense strength, coupled with their speed and agility, makes them one of the most formidable creatures in the wild. Their physical abilities are not just for show. They play a crucial role in their survival. Speed helps them catch prey and escape predators. Their strength allows them to defend themselves and their cubs, and their swimming and climbing abilities help them access food sources that other animals can't reach. And it's not just about the physical. Bears are also known for their keen senses. They have an excellent sense of smell, better than that of dogs, which helps them locate food from miles away. Their hearing is also sharp, allowing them to detect even the slightest rustle in the undergrowth. Bears are not just about strength and speed, they have a softer side too. But that's a topic for another time. For now, let's appreciate these incredible creatures for their astounding physical abilities. Would you be surprised to know that bears are actually incredibly intelligent and show a range of emotions similar to humans? This might seem like a stretch, But bear with me as we delve into the softer side of these magnificent creatures. Bears are not just about brawn and brute strength. They're also about brains, boasting a level of emotional intelligence that's quite remarkable. For instance, a mother bear displays a nurturing side that's truly heartwarming. She's fiercely protective of her cubs, teaching them the ways of the wild and preparing them for the challenges that lie ahead. The bond between a mother bear and her cubs is a testament to the emotional depth these creatures possess. But it's not just about nurturing. Bears, much like us, communicate with each other in a variety of ways. They use vocalizations, body language, and even touch to express their feelings. If you've ever watched two bears playfully wrestling, you've witnessed this communication firsthand. It's not just a physical display, it's a social interaction. And let's not forget about their impressive cognitive abilities. Bears have been known to solve complex problems, often using tools to get their paws on a tasty treat. They demonstrate an understanding of their environment that goes beyond instinct, showcasing their ability to learn and adapt. Perhaps most fascinating of all is a bear's long-term memory. It's been observed that bears can remember the locations of food sources years after their last visit. This isn't just a random guesswork, it's a clear indication of their incredible memory and spatial awareness. But why does this matter? Why should we care about the emotional and cognitive capacities of bears? Well, understanding these aspects of bear behavior not only enriches our appreciation for these creatures, but also informs our conservation efforts. It helps us see bears not just as wild animals, but as complex, sentient beings with their own unique experiences and perspectives. Bears are undoubtedly complex creatures, but there's still more to discover. So the next time you think about bears, remember that there's more to them than meets the eye. From their emotional intelligence to their problem-solving abilities, bears are full of surprises, and who knows, maybe we humans could learn a thing or two from them. Despite their strength and intelligence, did you know that many bear species are threatened or endangered? While bears may be known for their impressive stature and cunning abilities, they face numerous threats that jeopardize their survival. One of the most pressing issues is habitat loss. As humans continue to expand their cities, forests, and build roads, we're encroaching on the natural habitats of bears. This not only reduces the space in which they can live and hunt, but it also increases the likelihood of human-bear encounters, often leading to tragic outcomes for the bears. Climate change is another significant threat, especially for species like the polar bear. As global temperatures rise, the Arctic ice, which is crucial for their hunting and survival, is rapidly melting. This forces polar bears to swim greater distances, often leading to exhaustion and even death. Yet another challenge bears face is hunting. Whether for sport, fur, or body parts used in traditional medicine, illegal hunting has led to the decline of various bear species. But it's not all doom and gloom. Conservation efforts are underway globally to protect and preserve these majestic creatures. National parks and protected regions are being established to provide safe havens for bears. Efforts are also being made to reduce human-bear conflicts by educating communities about coexistence and implementing non-lethal management techniques. Organizations and governments are also tackling climate change, aiming to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and slow the melting of Arctic ice. And to combat illegal hunting, laws are being enforced and penalties increased, while campaigns are educating people about the devastating impacts of this trade. Bear conservation is not just about saving bears, it's about maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Bears play a vital role as apex predators and scavengers, helping to control other wildlife populations and promote forest health. As we conclude, let's recap the most amazing facts we've learned about bears today.